So we're gonna make a pesto using carrot tops. So we're gonna try it out. All these carrot tops we normally throw out, we're gonna try making a pesto with it. So we have a bunch of purple carrots, and then we'll dip the carrots in it later. We have 1 lemon, we're gonna zest it and use the juice of that. 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to put in 1/3 cup of olive oil and then a pinch of salt as well. So we'll get all this ready and we're gonna blend it up and see how this carrot top pesto turns out. So this is zested in there now. Garlic in there, we have lemon zest. We're gonna put the lemon juice in there. Okay, so now we're gonna put in 1/3 cup of the Parmesan cheese. I'm adding in just under 1/3 cup of the olive oil. I might add more. We're adding in all of the carrot tops. It's a little woody, so hopefully this will work out okay. We'll see. Now we're just gonna blend it all together. So this is what it looks like so far. It looks really good. I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt and a little bit more of the olive oil. So I'm gonna just go up to 1/3 cup. So I did just under 1/3 cup. I'll add a little bit more and then we'll pulse again. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like pesto. It's a little bit more chewy. The leaves are a little bit chewier. It's very garlicky. So if you don't love garlic, maybe limit the garlic you're gonna put into it, but it's pretty good. So I'm just spreading it on a bit of bread. I'll see how that tastes. I'll let you know. It's actually really nice on the bread. It takes away some of that chewiness from the leaves. It also balances out the intense garlic as well. Yeah, I think it's a really nice bread for bread. You can use it for pasta, really anything. So yeah, don't throw out your carrot tops. Go ahead and make a pesto out of it. Yum, yum, yum.